I always wanted to live in a tree house. I was fascinated by living in nature, to see the trees or beautiful sunsets from my bed. I love the wood as a building material, and I like working with it. During my study, I came to Slovenia and I was amazed by the forest. All countries green, wood everywhere, the best one. Here, I met Peter and Jaka with the idea of developing eco-retreats with unique wooden cabins that would offer people the view and unforgettable experience of living with the nature. Kind of a glamorous bedrooms in nature. We all wanted to change the way people perceive the quality of life, at least when they go to vacation. You know, people go to vacation living in these plastic boxes, trailers or bungalows. Just don't like it. Together, we created the modular wooden construction system, which made it possible to produce precisely handcrafted houses, but on a bigger scale. No compromise on quality, only natural materials, attention to detail, the touch and smell of massive wood. With eco-wood fiber insulation for all seasons and all environments. Modular, adaptable, natural. We gathered the best young craftsmen we could find. And we started building.